So just briefly, I want to talk a little bit about the histogram, and the histogram is just another variation of a bar graph. Instead, in this case, we're looking at the distribution and the shape of the distribution. So as per the diagram here on this slide, pardon me, you can see that the frequency is here and then the age distribution is here. So this is in its logical linear representation. So 0 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and so forth. You would then put down the frequency here, and you see that you start to see where the distribution of the greatest frequency is. So it just helps you to understand the shape and the breadth or width, I suppose, of the distribution. So if we go back to our machine before, and we're looking now at downtime during the day, so we know that we know the days where we've got problems with the machine not producing, but we want to now start to track the times of the day. We might put down, from 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, and we might start to track downtime this way. And this would give us an idea of the distribution of the variance of where the shape is. So we might find that by doing that, that on the days that our machine is down, it's actually down around about lunchtimes. And so that then that gets us to think about, oh well, what's happening around lunchtimes, and we can then start to look at other data, or we can start to do things like the cause and effect, the brainstorming tool, and we start to discover that it's around rostering. It's around the man hours in terms of rosters for the piece of machinery or equipment. And so these tools are used in conjunction with each other to help us to problem solve and be analytical. So that's one example of how we can use a histogram.